Scottie's back.
Oh.
We didn't leave him at Atlanta, left for dead or with gaping. Never mind.
Scottie wants to move to El Paso.
No, I don't know if I want to move there, but I'll definitely go for a visit before the year's out. Because I gotta go to El Paso and I gotta go to New York.
So what did you do
So
this?
what did you do
on your vacation?
Yeah, what did you do, Scottie?
I put an engine in a YJ Jeep.
What club did you join?
Mile High Club.
Nice. Mama's shocked and appalled. Mama, come back here. Mama's here. Anyway, Scottie, as long as you had fun on your trip.
Oh yeah, it was minus that. It was good to be back in Georgia, get a few things done that I needed to get done, get some personal bills taken care of.
You're saying the Mile High Club was negative?
Oh, good God, no.
Okay, good. So,
What are you going to do with all your stuff?
I still have, well, I've got my apartment here.
what?
All my stuff in Atlanta is in a storage unit.
Oh, God.
15 by 15 and it's packed.
Oh,
So.
my God.
We gave these a little bath. I know Nick had these in the washer. We videoed that. He was spritzing them. We videoed that. So they're all spritzed.
He spritzed them in public?
Yeah.
Oh.
See, now Nick's on vacation. The hell? Nobody work around here?
Who are you? Oh, wait a minute, you're not in charge anymore. I am.
I fired myself today.
Yep. So now I took the position of CEO, shop manager, floor cleaner, parts man, mechanic, you name it, and I do it. I've got so many hats, if I get any more, I'll have my own damn hat company.
Anyway. So the correct ball joints, they showed up yesterday, a day early.
Very happy about
So they're
that.
supposed to be here by end of day today. So that's good. That means as soon as the engine bay finish getting scrubbing, these babies can go back on. We've got one of the ball joints out of the uppers. I know Nick was spending forever on with a grinder, so.
Yeah, they were rough.
Yep,
I mean,
so
don't get me wrong. I'm not picking on this car. I love this car. I really do.
But holy scuzzy, Batman.
Yeah.
So we were drilling. I got them mostly drilled out, and then Scottie beat it off. I was drilling, and Scottie beat it off. Anybody? What do you think of that, Mama?
Bueller?